Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. But first, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so, as we have tons of WordPress Page Builders tutorials. Now, let's get right to it. So specifically today, we are going to be making a text overlay on top of a background image similar to this kayak site, rental site here. Nothing too fancy, a pretty simple thing to do in Brizy. So first, ensure that you have Brizy installed and activated. Once you're in the Brizy editor, navigate to the page where you want to work your design with. Now, adding a section. To begin, let's add a new section. Find and click on the Add Section button, then choose a structure that suits your design intentions. So for this one, a single column section often works well for a background image with the overlay text. Now, selecting the background image. With the section, place time to select your background image. Click on the section you just added, go to the Style tab, and select the perfect background image. This image will serve as a canvas for your text overlay. You want to pick an image that will have high contrast with your text because you want both to stand out, not one over pound the other. Now let's introduce text. But before we move on, if you enjoyed this video so far, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe and hit that bell if you haven't done so already. Okay. Now back to the tutorial. Introducing the text. You see your text appear on top of the chosen background image. Feel free to experiment by adjusting the font, size, and color to match your design aesthetics. Precision is key here. Fine-tune the position and size of your text overlay by dragging and resizing the text element. Brizy offers a pretty user-friendly interface, making it easy to achieve the perfect composition. So wrapping up, there you have it, a beautiful overlay text on a background image using Brizy. It's a quick and impactful way to enhance your design or the design of your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Brizy tutorials. Any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.